got money.
But we don't have it. Then before we go down go ball. We don't have it. Me better me here see how we look see how we. Me better look see how we. If me
Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. Sorry this intro is a little bit different, but we didn't film an intro, so I'm just adding this in there. We did a prank on my mom and you just gotta watch it, so let's get right into the video.
and this one twist the back come up back as this thing. Come on, me not get them now. We see that thing aki there man.
Me know say she shall sleep. Oh yeah, go aki
man.
man.
See the thing aki there me have me tell Jefar say if him not get up him now don't forget you know. But he might get because through my God church I might wake up and we get.
Where you go tomorrow? You got free one?
She got church, you know, you should just say she got church.
I'll be okay more. I'll be zoned out.
It's a biscuit then.
You know me I talk about right Marla? I can't like that, it's kind of cool.
Mommy, Chrissy, I have something to tell you.
What she have to tell me? Oh, I'm getting a call.
Hello? I accept it. Hello?
Hello?
Jefar, where Take your mom.
But that's the lotion, where are you? Police up on the road? What driving?
No, Chrissy, remember me tell us I mean I go with my brethren and we all got them all and come back?
Yeah.
Right, man, I tell us that the man they are drive crazy and stuff and he know say I am mother carry my driver and I ain't license and none of that and literally the cop and pull over and then literally handcuff all the way and put him got the station. I was just like,
are you shitting right now, bro?
yes, bro, and then now make we leave. They must have like, oh, we out on bail or like all of this and it's just so annoying because it's like me just do want to get a shoes and come back. I never want to go through all of this, you know? So it's just like, can you please?
So what are
So which part you don't know?
Where are you? What is
They must send me have like, they must charge me for two things are like being like in one car which is not mine or something like that. And then some other BS. Can you just come get me please? Me no on there no more longer. Like the people them here is crazy. Please come.
What?
Back.
So
What do we have to do now?
You guys gotta come bail me.
Are you okay though? Are you okay? Have they been like treating you bad?
No, I mean besides from the guy flinging me down on the car and like you know, I'm like just physically manhandling me. Alright, them think them to the bill is like like three grand.
3 grand?
Yeah.
Jefar, what we find 3 grand for billion right now, dog? You know, so come on now.
You need to keep better friends, honestly. Cause what if we get $3,000 now?
You know,
I did have that right now.
me just
I wish we did have that now. You know, $2,000 in my account. So that Chrissy know the last account from the already. Not $2,000 in there.
So wait, are you in prison right now?
So you're there jail right now, dog?
yeah. Please come get me, please.
Which one are you at? Where exactly are you?
Me not even know.
Where did they even pick you guys up?
Yeah, then take coming back from the mall on the highway, then come stop with. Well, almost when we go exit, then stop with.
So which police department are there right now?
Hartford one. What did I mean?
So the one down the street from the house?
Yeah.
We say since evening now, the police them no rock them just a pull off people. Yeah, I had one pull off one they saw, one pull off one out. This I say Ferris, you see, so the police them busy. So the police them busy.
So wait, so much money we need for bail you out? Cause right now me just pay my rent. I'm about $25.
We need 3,000.
$3,000?
Yeah.
We'll forget $3,000.
You're not going to sleep in that jail
But a
tonight.
weekend, so you
Oh.
can't. Like,
You
you
can't
Oh
can't
yeah,
Monday.
weekend. You can't even
Oh.
post your
Bro, you're not
Monday.
even coming out till Monday, yo.
Please come get me. Me can't stay here no longer.
Let's start. I'm more joking.
I lie, my friend. Me not believe her. Seriously?
I'm kind of shit. Can't know about him something yet. Alright. What's boy, I don't even know. Alright. What officer in charge of you right now? You can't answer the name?
Yes, what you say?
What's the officer in charge of you right now? You can't answer the name, so you can come down there.
No, officer,
We
no,
know.
them just have a lock up in a one cage. Like with them whole people. Can please come get me. Me no want danger no longer.
Can you ask the officer his name so we know if it's someone that come down there, please?
The police, them busy on the road. And I said,
Yes,
can I tell the
you
ferries?
Oh, Jefar?
Yeah,
What's
my
your-
friend must have gone.
Mommy, you can please come get me. Mommy, please.
Get home, forget you. Oh, me, I'll get you. What me going to get you?
Mommy, please.
What me going to forget you? You left and say you go with Chrissy and Marla. That's the plan today.
He
What me-
did though. He did.
He just wanted to get his shoes at the mall, so that's why he went to the mall.
Bro, I don't know what
Mommy,
to
how
tell
much
you.
money am I?
Right.
Can you ask the officer? Can you just ask the officer the name and we try to start on something and then come get it out?
The officer gone. Him just come leave we near. All of my bridging ain't gone already. I just me alone.
So we have to go call family members and see
So,
who can give
so how them
$3,000.
gone left him?
I had them in there.
Because
I
for
asked
the,
them on your friend. Jefar, then your friend them in there.
What them have a different
yeah,
story,
but
so,
then for them mother, for them people's come for them already. I just want to come out of here. Please, mommy, chronic, nasty. You have some weird, dirty people in here. Please, I'm sorry. Just come get me out of here, please.
But a weekend.
$3,000?
But no, but him friend ain't gone. So I'm supposed to go let him go too.
Oh, so much money you have, mommy.
We don't know, let's go talk to them.
Alright, Jefar.
We can't go talk to them without money.
But we don't have it. Them before we go there and go bahala. We don't have it. Me follow me here, see how we are look, see how we are. Me gonna look, see how we are. If me I go there.
Mommy,
You
never
see?
rush me out for the phone. Mommy, me have to go. Mommy, me have to go. Mommy, please. And I
Alright, Jefar, we are working on something. We are working on something.
Damn. I feel like she see that ball. Check go ball. No.
First, you hear me I tell you since night the police them bad on the road. One drive down the guy coming at so this evening. One drive down one girl up the
So what
sun.
we have to Jefar?
Some friendly man go buy shoes and the police them because and like the car how it go.
Yeah, it must have driving
I'm
friend
mad at car, I guess.
But your friend must lie about it or something. We
Cause
don't
I don't
even know,
think
but
that-
we just need to
I
get him
don't
out
think
right
my friend
now.
is old enough.
We just need to
Jefar,
get him
Jefar
out.
going on something, you know?
We just need to get him out.
Jesus Christ.
We need $3,000.
What you have?
We can't find maybe $1,000. I think $1,000 I can get for the ATM anyways.
Right, I don't think you have to pay the whole bill at like the same time. I think you only have to pay like a half of it or something.
Say the pick them, you know, when you have them, you know, when you have them, you say, this is it, that is it, this is it. And since that, I still don't say, watch the police, about trail the people, you know. One right coming right there, so one stop, one girl right there, so one stop, one right at the stoplight. I'm say Ferris, and one trace, one go up and one car. And I said to Ferris, Jefar said, oh, the police, they're so busy on the
Last
road.
night, Jefar.
Hi.
Hi,
Police
hi.
outside.
What?
Police outside.
Two.
Jefar.
Jefar, what is that?
No. Them.
Oh, they come for you, mother?
Because he's underage, I guess.
I
Oh
don't.
yeah, because they probably are still under 18.
I don't know.
Come on, go talk to him.
Mm.
Go talk to him. Please.
Come on, come on, go down there.
So why will I be good on the phone? Yeah, the next thing they try something.
No, we don't go down there because that only one him come and you can say only left on one thing and buy the shoes or whatever. Because you understand? And you only go too.
Talk to him. This has blackmail. You know, problem.
Which part anyway, I get sir?
Yeah.
Talk to them, you know. Make them here soon now. Beg them. Talk to Jefar about that something. Try to sit down with them. Lecture them all. We tell them somebody. They don't know who that you.
experience. Mommy, leave me, mommy.
Really, mommy?
Yeah, I tell them.
of ice cream.
It's a prank.
Disgusting.
It's a prank. Oh, one police out there.
Just go
I'm not
outside.
going outside.
Or we have this thing can't do nothing.
Mommy, it's a prank, okay? Nothing happen.
Yeah, alright. That's alright. Come, give him a hug. I'm sorry, I forgot the ball.
They're evil. I told them not to do. They're evil.
It's all with love. I'll pull them from Jesus like that. But it's nice.
Mommy said we have to go out there, go ball.
Hey, hey, Jefar. Jefar.
That's what me look.
It's all love. It's all love, Jennifer.
Oh my goodness, my heart.
Car outside.
That worked out
so
Perfectly. Don't tease it.
What Ferris Day? What Ferris Day?
What them do?
Oh, say it here, say I want prank Ferris.
No,
You
no, no.
never know.
You know, put on your shirt or not?
This one one? Wow. This one one? Look what I want. This one pretty policemen.
Yeah, man, we see holy.
But we ain't do nothing for getting a Oh, right, you didn't go to button.
But this nice now.
No, that's not so bad.
A button.
No, they're bad. Bad is don't look like that.
You don't beat people.
All right. So guys, I think that prank was successful.
Right.
What do you think?
Remember, subscribe, tick the bell, get your notifications.
Honestly.
Like it.
Good
This
content.
was good. Listen.
Baby love. Would you
Cause
love?
this almost
Marla
even
page
avatar.
of good content. Come subscribe. Come get the follow them.
Hey, hey.